All right, we got a beautiful Riverstone Legacy right here with an Onan generator, full body paint. This is the Legacy Edition. You got the outdoor TV, solid steps. We just put 4 new tires. Every time we get one of these, it is gone in a second because they're charging way so much money for a new one these days. But look at this Riverstone Legacy. You got a built-in desk, you got a sleeper sofa, TV, fireplace, 2 bathrooms. Look at this. And you know, they put the washer and dryer. But look at this bedroom. Oh, the bathroom is so nice. And then, you know, they put the walk-in closet. Oh my gosh. How beautiful.